everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in trading, then you are in the right place, because here I am telling you all the tips and tricks how to trade successfully and get this profit. So guys, today we are going to talk about two indicators, and it's quite different from to work with one indicator. So if you are interested in that, then please subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. And also I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals, and if you want to be in my closed group, then text me a code word signal on my Telegram. I left the link on the description box. And no further discussions, let's start it. Today we are going to trade with two indicators at once, which is parabolic star indicator and awesome oscillator indicator. So these indicators are already connected, as you can see on the chart, and of course all the settings are left by default as usual. And parabolic star indicator will help us to determine pivot points, and awesome oscillator will tell us which ones prevail on the market to increase or decrease. The signals of two indicators, of course, we are going to use with the conjunction of technical analysis, and let me tell you what is the signal of these two indicators. Let's start with parabolic star indicator, and the signal is the moment when, for example, yellow dots appear above the graph. This situation tells us that in the near future the price will move down. Here we could definitely open deal for a decline. And also when the points begin to form with a larger distance from each other, it means that there is a confident and directional movement. Also, when the dots approach the candles themselves, this tells us that dots will begin to appear above our chart and reversal will occur very soon. There will be movement in the opposite direction. Also, under the chart, there are indicators of the awesome oscillator, and it has a horizontal line with a mark of 0, and green and red histograms are formed on different sides of these lines. The signal of this indicator is the moment when, for example, the red histogram begins to change its color to green, approach the horizontal line with the mark of 0, for example, from the bottom up. And this situation suggests that volumes are growing for increase, and in the near future the price will grow. Also, after that, a green histogram may begin to form above the horizontal line with a mark of 0, which also tells us that volumes are growing for increase, and in the near future the price will move up. Also, this indicator works in the opposite direction, and for example, the red histogram approaches the horizontal line with a mark of 0 from the top to bottom, and after that it can begin to form under the horizontal line. Also, the red histogram can change its color to green, which also tells us that priorities in the markets have changed. So we'll find the situations in the market where the signals of these two indicators coincide at once. And also, of course, do not forget about support and resistance levels, since these indicators are just an auxiliary tool of technical analysis. So please make sure to watch this video till the end so you can see how to work with these two indicators at once. And let's start and let's see the first situation in the market. Here at the top we have a resistance level, and there is a pullback down from the level. Also, a pair of dots appeared above the chart. In this situation we will open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. The price is moving down, the volumes are also growing downwards. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us. The price will continue its downward movement for time being, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Nice. There really was a rollback from the level. We made a profit, and these indicators also gave us a good entry point. I think it's not a bad start, so let's continue, guys. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that there was a good confident uptrend here. The price is moving towards the level. Also, points are formed under the graph while volumes are growing to increase. We open a deal here for 2 minutes to increase, and I think that it is more likely that the price will continue to move to the level, since the price here has a good potential for increase, and I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough, even taking into account possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for that for our deal. I think it's a quite good result. The price continued to move up and we made a profit. The indicator again suggests a good entry point for us. Let's continue to consider the following market situation. Here at the top we have a resistance level, and we also see that there was a pullback from the level down, and at the moment the price is coming back to our level. At the same time, several points have already appeared under the graph and the green histogram and volumes are also growing. So I think we'll open a deal here for 2 minutes to increase. The price here has a good potential for increase and it is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future. So 2 minutes also with the margin taking into account possible pro trades. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Not bad, not bad. The price really continued to move up and the level was broken. Also, our indicator gave us a really good entry point. The volumes for increase really started to grow. So far, everything is going great. Let's continue. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that after the pullback, the price has turned around and also is moving up. There was a slight pullback down, but at the same time, the price minimum becomes higher. Also, several points have already appeared under the graph. We also see that the volumes for the increase are growing, and in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase. I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move to the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached. 2 minutes also is a margin, taking into account possible pro trade or a small pullback down. Just at the moment, we see that there has been a really pullback down, but I think the situation 2 minutes will be quite enough. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Perfect guys, perfect. The price continued to move up and the level was broken and we get a gorgeous confident profit. In this situation, the indicators also worked perfectly because it gave us a really good entry point. So let's continue consider the following market situation. First of all, we see here resistance level. And we also see that after the pullback, the price has again approached our level. There is a kind of compression and also the main price lows are getting higher. In this situation, we will open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. So, because I think it is quite possible that this level will be broken in the near future, and also our entry point is confirmed by our indicators under the chart, there are already a couple of points. And the volumes for an increase are also growing. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Quite good guys, the price continued to move up and we made a profit. The indicator also suggested a good entry point for us. So let's see another situation. Here on top we also have resistance level. We also see that there was a pullback from the level. The price turned around and is moving up. A couple of dots have already appeared on the chart and volumes are also starting to increase. In this situation, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to increase. Since the price is moving up, I think in the near future this level also will be broken. And just as we see that at the moment good confident green candles are beginning to form, so I think in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account pro trade or a small pullback down. And so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay, that's not bad. The price really broke through the level and we made a profit. Also, after the breakout, there was a logical roll back down, but in any case, 2 minutes was enough for us. So guys, let's continue. We have a level of support down here. We also see that at the moment there is a good confident downward movement. There was a slight upward pullback and at the same time points are formed above the chart and volumes are also growing downwards. In this situation, I propose to open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. Recently, the price has a good potential for a decrease. I think the price will continue to move towards the level and I think 2 minutes here will be also quite enough, even taking into account a possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, the price slowed down a bit, but still the downward movement continued and we made a profit. That's the most important thing. And in any case, this indicator helped us to determine the further price movement. Let's continue. Here we also see that there is a good confident directional movement and there is still space for the support level. In this situation, we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. I think that in the near future, the price will continue to move towards the level. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken since this level is internal. If we rewind the graph to the left, we will see that the main level is slightly lower. Also, recently the price has a good potential for decline, and also our indicators tell us that in the near future the price will move down and volumes are growing for a decrease. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Great guys, the price really continued to move to the level and we made a profit. The indicator also gave us a good entry point. Everything is going great as I want. So guys, let's continue. Here at the top we have a resistance level, and we also see that after touching the level the price has turned around and is moving down. In this situation we'll open a deal for 2 minutes to decrease. I think that the price will move in the near future at least to the internal support level, and since this is the first touch of this level in a long time, the indicators also confirm our entry point, and at the same time volumes are growing on the decline. I think 2 minutes here will be quite enough, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. That is good guys. The price moves slowly and confidently. Of course we got a profit here. The pullback really happened to the internal support level, and these indicators also gave us a good entry point. Let's continue. Let's find another situation on the market. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that there was a pullback down from the level, and here the price has turned around and is moving up. While several points have already appeared under the chart and volumes are growing to increase, also the main price lows are getting higher, and in this situation I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to increase. The price has a good potential to increase. It is more likely that the price will move up in the near future, and just at the moment we see that a good confident green candles are being to form. So it is also quite possible that this level will be broken, and so guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. Okay guys, it's not bad. Although this level has not yet been broken, there was a pullback down, but in any case we made a profit. Meanwhile, I already have $10,000 on deposit, and I proposed we find another last deal for today. So I will find the situation on the market and we will continue. Just rewinding the chart to the left, about an hour ago I set the level for the lower values of these candles. We are interested in this level as the price approached it from top to bottom, and then we returned to the beginning. Here we also see that there is a good confident downtrend. After touching this level there was a rollback. After the rollback the price moves down again. Also, the price here has a good potential for a decrease. At the same time, we see that the volumes are already starting to grow, and in this situation I suggest opening a deal here for 2 minutes to go down. It is more likely that the price will continue to move down. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken, and of course at the same time a dot appeared above the chart, as you can see, and I think that in this situation 2 minutes here will be quite enough, even taking into account possible pro trades. So guys, let's wait for the end of our deal. So guys, what do you think about this result? I think it's great. The price really continued to move down and this level was broken and we made a profit. This indicator really gave us a good entry point and helped us to determine the further price movement. And meanwhile, I already have $14,000 on deposit. So I think we end here because I fulfill my plan for today. So I close the trade and leave the market. So all the situations we had today, it was perfect. Everywhere we could get profit. So as I told you in the beginning, first of all, you should conduct technical analysis and only then see the signals of the indicators. Only then, with such combination, you are going to have a really good results. So just try, practice, and I'm sure you will get what you want. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new so you can implement it in your trading and get that profit. And of course, don't forget to put a big thumbs up to this video if it was useful. Subscribe to this channel if you still didn't subscribe to it. And of course, turn on notifications so you don't miss my new tutorials. And I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. Its closed group is limited amount of people, and if you want to get into this closed group, then text me code word signal on my Telegram, and I left the link on the description box. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.